wind up here is absolutely insane. I picked up an injury on that hike. You could have cookies. What do you think, Mom? I like cookies. Too much tomato. I'm getting sick of being slapped by this wind. It's been 20 miles an hour for like the past 4 hours. Hi guys, I'm Jess and this is my golden retriever Hudson. We've been living out of the back of my 2017 Hyundai Tucson, camping, traveling, cooking, and exploring all over the US. If you love the outdoors and want to see our adventures roaming the country and discovering some really cool places, please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and continue watching. The sky is beautiful this morning. And Hudson is eating his breakfast. We just got Hudsy's foot all taken care of for the day. It's all wrapped up. Now we'll clean up our stuff and put it away. Yeah, what a boy. You did so good. You got some treats. I know it was fun. So I'm really getting pretty deep back here on this dirt road. I'm just wondering if there's a point that you get back here that service appears again. Probably not, but we're going back deeper than we've been. And it is dark and cloudy today. Look at it out there. All my downloaded content has expired, so I've got nothing on my phone. I'm gonna drive back and get some connection and either download a show or movie or book. Ooh, you're okay. And then we'll come back out to these boondocks. Here I am, being lame, driving back to get connections that I can download a show or a book. I'm thinking a book, because like you can just listen to that and they're a lot longer than shows and a lot quicker to download. I'm thinking since, what am I saying? I'm thinking since we're headed back towards the road anyways, that we could maybe just go check out Palm Canyon. Half tempted to do that. I think it's about 20 minutes off the road. I did not drive over to Palm Canyon, and nor am I going to. I don't feel like doing much of anything today. My Hudson's relaxing in the front seat here, and we're just chilling. I'm trying to figure out where I want to go. Where do I want to go? Nothing has downloaded yet. Stuff is being so slow. Maybe we want to park over here. I kind of want to just like cook some food and hang out, you know? Alright, let me try and download a book really fast. And then after I download the book, we're going to go back to having no reception. You're okay, buddy. Hudson knows we parked and he's like, what are we doing? I'm downloading a book. Well, my book is downloading. We're gonna play a little bit. Yeah. Or Hudsy is at least. We'll stand outside the car. Hallelujah. The book has downloaded. Now we're gonna go back up the road and find camp. Let's find ourselves a private spot. Do-do-do-do-do. Oh, dude. Look at right here, Huds. This is prime. This is prime. A private spot, but still in connection area. This is prime, buddy. I guess we wasted time, but check out our new spot. I love it. And you're gonna love it because you get to be out of the car. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! There's a boy. There's the boy. See all those people down there? We got this spot right here to ourselves. Wow. This is prime. When I was driving up the road yesterday, I was like actually thinking that this was like an awesome spot, but there's a RV parked here. Now we're parked here. What? Pretty sweet. Okay. It's like crazy windy out here. I'm gonna try and get my workout in or part of it in right now. but I'm not going to set up my phone because I don't want it to blow over. So I'll let you know how much I get done right now. We're partway done with the workout. We've done 40 of everything so far. Hutz is helping me out down here. It is so freaking windy. Trying to get some shelter from the wind by sitting by my car. I even got his dog bed out so he can lay next to the car. He's a goon. I'm done exercising. Got my whole set of 100 done. Now Hutz and I are gonna go do a little exploring. The car's right back there, and we're just headed up this path this way. It is so windy. I got this up so that it doesn't fly off my face. I think we're gonna go climb to the top of one of these hills. What do you think, buddy? You wanna go climb a hill? The car is just back there, not too far away. Let's go climb a hill. Huh? Pretty much at the top of this now. The car's all the way down there. Woo! That's fun, buddy. Made it to the top of this one. The wind is wild today. Woo! What a view. Since we made it up here pretty fast and Hutz seems to be doing good, we're gonna go climb to the top of that one now. Alright, you wanna keep going? Let's keep going. Just gotta watch out for any little cactus along our way. Like right here. I'll meet you right up there. We're taking a little pause. We're at this like cool little area to stay. We're almost to the top right there. Hi, you crazy boy. That's where we came from right there. We're almost to the top. You want to finish it out? You're a good boy. All right. Oh, almost to the top. Crocs, not the real good shoe to climb in. The wind up here is absolutely insane. We're so close to being there. So close. Me and the mountain goat over here. We made it to the top. Oh my God, I'm out of breath. We're at the top. There's the hill we climbed up from, and the car's all the way over there. It was fun. Oh, I needed a little break. Crocs made this a lot of work. Look at our car out down there. Wow. Beautiful. You did really good, dude. Really good. You get a whole different angle from up here. Check out this convoy. It is pretty awesome. Pretty freaking sweet. I'm happy we climbed up here. That's gonna be probably all the adventuring we do today. I don't want to put too much wear and tear on us, paw. So we'll just climb back to camp and then hang out. Whew. I'm sweaty now. Time to attempt our descent back to the car and try not to die while doing it. Okay, you need to hey, chill. I gotta put the phone away. He's chasing the light. That's not good for going downhill. Cut around the second hill and going back to the car because we're slipping and sliding. We don't need to slip and slide down another hill. My advice to you, don't do this in Crocs. Oh, we made it to the road. Yeah, amazing. Like everything in the desert is out to get you. There's cactus and stuff trying to stab you everywhere you look, everywhere you step. Oh, it was fun. Me and the Futster are officially back at camp. We made it, buddy. We made it. gorgeous boy. I picked up an injury on that hike. I don't know if you can see it. A little scratch. Something got me. Something got me. Just preparing Hudson's gourmet dinner here. Oh, my chair fell over. Oops. There you go. I think to top it, I'm gonna add a little blueberries for you. So I did add some blueberries in here for Hudson, and he avoided eating all of them. Do you want one of these? Look it, they're good. I don't understand you. You eat them half the time I give them to you. The other half the time you do not. We'll leave those in there. Maybe you'll want to check them out later. He's a goof. Oh, now he's eating it. Now they're good? Yeah, I know they're good. I'm honestly kind of hungry and would like to cook something, but it's super freaking windy. So what did I buy yesterday? I bought a bunch of random crap at the store. I already ate some chips and queso. We made noodles yesterday, but those are gone. We got some Cheez-Its in here, Plush Bars, Doritos. Not much of this is like instantly edible. It seems like I gotta cook if I want any of this. There's cookies. Hudson's like, we could have those. We could have cookies. What do you think, Mom? I like cookies. We've already eaten cookies. Now I've said the word cookie too many times, I gotta get him one. It would just be rude if I didn't. Come here, buddy. I'll find you a cookie. I don't think I can cook with it being this windy though. Like the water's just not gonna boil. Ooh, I could make a quesadilla maybe. That doesn't require too much heat. Maybe that's what I'll try and do. Make some quesadillas. Does that sound good? He is eating his cookie, don't worry. All right, well, I'll update you in a minute. I don't know. If the wind could just like chill for a minute, that would be great. This is my setup. We got some sour cream, Parmesan cheese, Monterey Jack, tomato, tortillas. We're gonna try and make that into something. It's windy as hell. There's no need for this tomato, but I bought a tomato, so I need to use it. It doesn't add anything to the sandwich. The sour cream, however, adds everything. Not my best meal, but we work with what we have. And the sour cream. Perfection. Did this grilled cheese need tomato? No. But we had tomato and we used it. So that's what we're having for dinner. Now, of course, if you're cooking at home, try and be a little more sanitary and cleanly than this. But I'm working with what I got. Too much tomato. Oh, we're still dealing with the wind out here. It's a little bit after 5 o'clock. The sun is still up pretty high. I think we're not going to stay outside that much longer because I'm getting sick of being slapped by this wind. It's been 20 miles an hour for like the past 4 hours. The wind is not fun. You're so cute though. When we go in the car, you get to take your little booty off. Your little booty. You actually have been doing really good with it on today, buddy. Yes. You're so handsome. The wind has gotten to me today. My lips are so chapped. Hudson's in the front. I only put up that front window cover to like block out the sun while it's setting, so it's not getting to him. I'm gonna watch a movie now. We've been outside like all day. Red faces, tired eyes. I took off his boot, so he's licking his foot and cleaning it up, but that's it for us. We're calling it a wrap at 5:30 p.m. We are calling it real early today. If he has to get out and go to the bathroom, I will obviously let him out, but I need a little break from the winds. It's been beating on me all day. Alright guys, Peace out.